Good day everyone. Teacher Chad here. Today magsasolve tayo ng second order linear non-homogeneous differential equation. Credits to elementary differential equations by Rainville and Bedian for this wonderful question. So let's begin. We are gonna note na ang solution ng differential equation natin is it takes the form y is equal to y equals y sub c plus y sub b, where y sub c stands for our complementary solution. Complementary solution is found at the left side of our differential equation. And our y sub p here is our particular solution. Our particular solution is dependent on the method of solution to be employed. So we can have the method of undetermined coefficient. We also have the reduction of order. We also have the inspection and the variation of parameters. For this problem, we are going to use the variation of parameters method. Okay, so let's now calculate for the complementary solution. Ang unang gagawin natin is papalitan natin yung variable d into m. So we have m squared minus 1 is now equal to 0. We are gonna get the roots. So we have m is equal to plus and minus 1. And then our complementary solution is now y sub c is now equal to c sub 1 e to the power of negative x plus c sub 2 e to the power of x. For our particular solution, gagayahin lang natin si y sub c, but we are gonna change c sub 1 into a, and we are gonna change c sub 2 into b. Okay, so our particular solution is gonna look like y sub p is now equal to a e to the power of negative x plus b e to the power of x. But here, we are gonna note that a and b here are functions. So, hindi lang siya basta-basta constant. So, okay. They are gonna begin with a prime e to the power of negative x plus b prime e to the power of x equal to 0. And when we take the derivative of this expression with respect to x, we are gonna get negative a prime e to the power of negative x plus b prime e to the power of x is now equal to this one. So equal na yung derivative now here. Okay, so we copy e to the power of 2x multiplied by 3 tangent of e to the power of x plus e to the power of x second squared of e to the power of x. And then what we are gonna do is we want to isolate a prime. So we are gonna solve for a prime in terms of b prime in this equation. Okay, so we have a prime. Okay, so basically ita-transpose natin si b prime e to the power of x to the other side of the equation. And it will become a prime e to the power of negative x is now equal to negative b prime e to the power of x. Okay, para matanggal natin yung e to the power of negative x na nakamultiply kay a prime, we want to multiply both sides of the equation by e to the power of x. Okay, so e to the power of x times e to the power of negative x, their product is going to be 1. And here, we now have a prime. A prime is now equal to b prime multiplied by e to the power of 2x. Okay, and then ipa-plug in na natin itong si b prime e to the power of 2x here. Okay, so what will happen there is itong si a to the power of 2x times e to the power of negative x magiging a to the power of e to the power of negative x, and here this term will now become positive. So it's now gonna become b prime e to the power of x plus b prime e to the power of x. So we are now at this part, and we are now gonna copy the other term. So let's try to copy these terms here. Okay, so let's copy the terms there, and okay. So here, and combining the terms at the left side of the equation, we have 2b prime 2b prime e to the power of x. Okay, it's now equal to, so let's still copy. So here, okay, let's copy. Okay, and then what we are gonna do on both sides of the equation is i-divide natin by 2e to the power of x. Okay, so para meron lang tayong b prime sa left side. So divided by 2 e to the power of x, also to the other side. Okay, 2e to the power of x, and here sa left side natin meron na lang tayong b prime, and then sa right side we now have 3 halves, and then tangent 3 halves e to the power of x, tangent of e to the power of x. Okay, so meron pa palang naiwan na na e to the power of x because e to the power of 2x divided by e to the power of 2 e to the power of x may iwan na isa. And here plus 1/2 e to the power of 2x second squared of e to the power of x. Okay, so at this point we want now to integrate b. Okay, so let's now but here we are gonna note that okay, we want to split that one. So b is now equal to the okay, so pag integrate natin with respect to x, mas magandang i-factor out na natin yung coefficients. So we have 3 halves, and then integral of e to the power of x tangent of e to the power of x dx, and plus 1/2, and then okay, let's now split. We want to split e to the power of 2x into e to the power of x times e to the power of x. So let's write e to the power of x times e to the power of x times second squared of e to the power of x dx. Okay, so now we do note na this one, itong first integral, this one is somewhat handy to evaluate because yung u natin here is yung e to the power of x, and yung du niya is gonna be e to the power of x dx. So we are just gonna explicitly do integral of tangent of u du is now equal to ln of absolute value of second of u. Pero dito sa variation of parameter, we are not gonna include the arbitrary constant. Okay, so the integral of that one is now okay, let's write in green. Okay, so it's now gonna be 3 halves, and then ln of absolute value of second of u. I mean second of e to the power of x in this case. And here dito we are gonna apply the integration by parts. So syempre sa integration by parts, yung u natin madaling kuhanan yung derivative, and then yung dv natin madaling kunan ng integral. Okay, so let's first begin by recalling the integration by parts formula. So the integration by parts formula is going to be integral of u dv is now equal to uv minus the integral of v du. Okay, so we are going to let u to be our e to the power of x, and then our du, our dv is going to be e to the power of x second squared of e to the power of x. So bakit nga ba dv natin si e to the power of x second squared of e to the power of x dx? Because madali siyang kuhanan ng integral. We are gonna notice that e to the power of x second squared of e to the power of x here is actually the derivative of tangent of e to the power of x. Okay, so derivative yan ni tangent of e to the power of x. So there. Okay, so let's continue. So here again, so our u is equal to e to the power of x. Our du is equal to e to the power of x dx. Our dv is equal to e to the power of x second squared of e to the power of x dx. And our v is now tangent of e to the power of x. Okay, so we now have here plus 1/2. Okay, so let's change in. So plus 1/2 1/2, and then let's now carry out our uv. So our u times v is now e to the power of x, tangent of e to the power of x, and then minus integral of v du. So we have e to the power of x and then tangent of e to the power of x and then dx. Okay, so this one, we know that the integral of this one, as we did a while ago, is gonna be ln. ln of absolute value of second of e to the power of x. So now, okay, we now have a b. Okay, so we note na itong 1/2 i-distribute pala natin sa lahat ng terms here. So we distribute 1/2 here and then 1/2 there. Okay, so we now have b is equal to 3/2. 3/2 ln of absolute value of second of e to the power of x plus 1/2 e to the power of x tangent of e to the power of x, and here minus 1/2 ln of absolute value of second of e to the power of x. As we can see, we can combine okay, this term here and this term here. So when we combine them, 3/2 minus 1/2 is 1. So our b now, okay, so let's write our b now. b, okay, b is now equal to 1/2 e to the power of x tangent of e to the power of x plus ln of absolute value of second of e to the power of x. Okay, so we are now done with B. Okay, so we are now ready to carry out for A. So A again is actually equal to negative B e to the power of 2x. Okay, so negative B prime e to the power of 2x. So here, i-multiply lang natin si B prime natin with e to the power of 2x. Okay, so can we copy our B prime here? Okay, so let's try to copy our b prime here. Okay, so we want to multiply this with e to the power of 2x. Okay, so we can copy this one. So Control C, and let's put this one down. Okay, just a second. Okay, so here i-multiply natin ito sa negative b, negative and then e to the power of 2x. Okay, so here we're gonna multiply this with the negative sign. And then we are also gonna multiply with e to the power of 2x. Okay, so our note here is that kailangan natin mag-ingat sa exponents. Okay, so let's skip the negative there. So now a prime. Okay, this one is a prime. So a prime. So a prime is now equal to negative of 3/2 e to the power of 3x tangent of e to the power of x plus 1/2 e to the power of 4x second squared of e to the power of x. At this point, we want to factor out 1/2 e to the power of 3x. Okay, so we now have a prime. A prime is now equal to negative 1/2. Okay, so negative e to the power of 3x all over 2 multiplied by 3 tangent of e to the power of x plus e to the power of x second squared of e to the power of x. Okay, so as we can see, we can notice something special about here. Okay, so we are gonna note that itong a prime natin by wishful thinking, actually derivative siya ng negative 1/2 e to the power of 3x tangent of e to the power of x. Okay, so bakit kasi this second squared of e to the power of x is derivative siya ni tangent. And then itong 3 na to galing siya doon sa pagdiderivative nito. Okay, so let's try by explicitly differentiating a. So we have solved this by inspection method and somehow wishful thinking. So, kuhanin natin yung derivative nito. Okay, derivative nitong A natin, dapat equal siya dito. Okay, dapat equal siya dito. Okay, so this is our U and then this is our V. And we applied the derivative of a product. So, derivative of U times V is now equal to U dV plus V du. Okay, so let's now evaluate. So it's now okay, it's now equal to okay, let's factor out the negative 1/2. Okay, so let's factor out the negative 1/2. So here we now call this one A prime. So A prime is now equal to negative 1/2, and then U dV. So we have here okay, so the dV here, as we are gonna ano, 'di ba? I-differentiate natin tong si tangent. Derivative of tangent is secant squared. However, we are also gonna differentiate our angle. So we have here e to the power of 3x times e to the power of x secant squared of e to the power of x. And then okay, we're now done with UDV, and let's now do VDU. So for our VDU, kailangan natin i-differentiate ito. Okay, so let's differentiate e to the power of 3x first. So derivative ng e to the power of 3x is gonna be 3 e to the power of 3x. So plus 3 e to the power of 3x times tangent of e to the power of x. Okay, so let's factor out e to the power of 3x from all of the terms and rearrange. So our our A prime is now equal to negative e to the power of 3x over 2. And let's rewrite the tangent term first. So we have here 3 tangent of e to the power of x plus e to the power of x, and then multiplied by secant squared of e to the power of x. As we can see, our A prime here is the same with A prime here. So our A here is correct. Okay, so this A here is correct. Okay, we are now ready to write our general solution. So let's again begin with the definition of the general solution. Y is equal to y sub c plus y sub p. And our y sub p is, y sub c is gonna be c sub 1 e to the power of negative x plus c sub 2 e to the power of x, and then yung A natin, okay, kailangan natin siyang i-multiply sa e to the power of negative x, this one. So babawasan lang natin ng isa yung exponent. So we now have minus 1/2. Okay, so e to the power of 2x tangent of e to the power of x. And then for B, let's copy them. Okay, so we are gonna let's try to copy the terms here for convenience. So here, okay, so let's copy the terms here, and we are gonna multiply these terms with e to the power of x. Okay, so let's bring this down. Okay, so we plus, we attach a plus sign here. So plus, and we are gonna multiply this with e to the power of x. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so multiplying with e to the power of x, we have this one. So this one, copyhin natin. So y is equal to c sub 1 e to the power of negative x plus c sub 2 e to the power of x minus 1/2 e to the power of 2x tangent of e to the power of x. And here, okay, we do note na pag pinag-multiply natin si e to the power of x and then e to the power of x here, we are gonna get e to the power of 2x. Okay, so we have plus 1/2 e to the power of 2x tangent of e to the power of x. Okay, so sobrang daming e to the power of x. So malilito na tayo kung sinong e to the power of x ang tinitignan natin. Okay, and then plus e to the power of x ln of absolute value of secant of e to the power of x. As we can see, we can notice that this term here and this term here will cancel out because they are additive inverses. The sum of two additive inverses of terms or numbers is equal to 0 because they are negative of each other. So we are now left with y, our general solution. y is now equal to c sub 1 e to the power of negative x plus c sub 2 e to the power of x plus e to the power of x ln of absolute value of second of e to the power of x. Okay, let's box our final answer. Okay, so I guess that's all for now, and see you all again for the next video. Goodbye and have a great day.